Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So here in this video, I'm just going to discuss about how we can create a non-repaint scanners. So what are the conditions we have to check non-repaint scanner? So one comment about this video, recently we created the swing eye reversal scanner. So where someone who said it is a reversal, but I think he was not known about the conditions and why the scanner is repaint or not. So that I'm just going to simply create some scanners with the repaint as well as non-repaint. But in my premium group, so most of the scanners are non-repaint scanner mostly. But in the candle pattern, if you finding means sometimes the data mismatch it may be showing, but mostly 95% we are creating a non-repaint scanner. Okay, so in the scanner he commented about it is repainting. So where it is repainting, I'm just going to tell you simply a repaint scanner. So maybe a short-term breakout. This would be a fully daily. So if you find any two time frames in a particular scanner, so that would be surely it is repaint. Okay, so that is very important. You have to check. For example, Dragonfly Doji, 15 minutes, Doji. So even our scanners like a Doji also we can take. Let me go for a Doji candle. So you can directly check Doji talent traders. Then it will be finding you will be a lot of or you can directly find talent traders. Many copies you may be finding out. So think let me check. Yeah. So these are this happening. Search. So we created a lot of scanners previously. So for example, Doji on weekly time frame. So here everything is in weekly, but the time frame is in daily. If you are going for a back test period, now charting is enabling. If it is ability to the scanner is able to repaint means it will be mentioning here. So for example, to the backtest result will change the repaint as a two different time frames, daily and weekly. So we use a two different time frames. So then it is a possibility to repaint. So that I will explain with a simple intraday method. So for example, if I just created this kind of first, I need to verify this. Everything is a fixed candle. It never ever repaint. And also whatever the stock in the backtest result in the first candle, it will be showing till throughout the end. So for example, it is started by 9:15 and till end by 3:15. Any point of the time, if we click the candle, the same stock would be there. But this is what going to receive only 9:15 because we used three third candle. So our confirmation on this particular scanner would be on third candle. If you are checking the scanner by 9:15 to 9:30, it will not show, or 9:30 to 9:45, it will not show. You need to check by 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle. So then only, because our conditions, all condition is to be satisfied, the maximum number of candle is 31st, sorry, third candle. So after third candle only it will be showing you the result, but it will be showing from the beginning to end. The stock would not be repaint and it will be available in the group itself, that what it is showing. Previously you can look at the 16th October until end of the day it is showing you the same stock. Maybe 17th October also only one stock. And let me check this, already we did this scanner Jinda still. So this is what a date, what exact time frame is 9:30, whatever, anytime if you click these two stocks only it is going to show. So Jinda still what my scanner which helping you to find after the rally, and we find first candle should be the highest is highest comparing to the last 30 candles. So if you count last 30 candles, this high is the highest level, and after that we have an inside candle and the low broken, so we are expecting that down in the trend. So that is the logic. The swing, intraday swing reversal at the highest level. The second stock is Berger Paint, that is also be the same, the first candle and the second candle should be inside, and third one is broken, and this high is my stop loss. And if you comparing last 30 candles, this high is the highest level. So that is the condition which I have created on this particular scan. Okay, and previous one, the backtest is still about India. Same, we can go for about India. What is happening here? This is the date is somewhere around 1610, where it is 1610. So we need to go back. Here is the 16th October. That is the intraday swing reversal at the highest level comparing to this last 30 candle. Today's high is the highest level and second is an inside and breaks below the low and it is still there. Okay, so I will show you, for example, why the scanners are repainting. I will show with some example. I will be creating a scanner open low, for example. Uh, okay, so let me go for, I'll show you in futures daily open equal to low, open equal low. So this is on daily time frame. At end of the day, if you scan this, these are all the stocks which forming a open low. How many stocks? We have around 8 stocks. Just remember the stocks. I will be just going to tell you whether the open low means it is on the same day when it is started by 9:15. The stock is open. Price may be 100 and it is also equal to 100. So that is what the concept. But till end of the day, the low is not broken. The low is not broken. That stocks where it is showing you here almost 8 stocks. But if the daily open low means it is also be the open low in the first 15 minutes. I'm right. So if I'm going to check uh, fixing the candle number. So for example, in the first 15 minutes candle, I'm just checking a open low. So if you are checking this open low, this may be still not, but this is what I'm telling you, the last 15 minutes candle. So where I'm just finding out what are the stocks and the 15, for example, Reliance on the last 15 minutes, it should be open low. That is what the condition. So where you can see that is exactly a open low around 2674.65 and 2674.65 also the low. But if I'm fixing it on the first candle as a low, well, I'm just fixing it. It will never change. But this 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, it will change. But if I'm changing the number of candles, it never change. So first we seen almost 8 stocks if you are looking at a daily. But if I'm just making a first 15 minutes, it's showing you 9 stocks. Which one is the stock we have to find out? That open equals low. The repaint condition what exactly? So I did this and let me take SRF Coromandel, which stock is not there. I think Coromandel is not there, right? So remaining all looks same. Maybe Coromandel is not there. And let me on this and turn off this. Yeah, Coromandel is not there. So let me check Coromandel. And this is what the repaint condition. If you are adding it, Coromandel where it is started today, 15 minutes time frame. This is 23rd, right? So in 15 minutes time frame, maybe it's showing you, I'm just checking with the first candle, it's showing you open low. The open is 15650, but in this particular third candle, I think, so 930. If you are looking at a daily, it may be showing you daily candle looks like a open low. Okay, but at 9:15, it may be open low, 15 minutes time frame, but after this candle, it breaks the low. Okay, at 9:15, it may be a open low. At this point, it breaks the low of the particular day. If you are using such a kind of way, the stock would be removed from the list. So like it may be showing at the 9:15 to 9, this is what 9:15, 9:30. Up to 9:45, it will be showing on the list. But after this low is broken, new low forms, it will be removed from the list. So this is what a very important condition while you are checking about any scanners, whether it is repainting or not. So this may be if you are many scanners, if they use a day low, week low, day low, week low, or day high, week high, something like month low, month high, that can be changed, right? For example, this at to 9:45, this is the day high. After that, this is the day high. After that, this is the day high. Okay, and day high keep on changing. But if you are mentioning here, this is what your stop loss. For example, this is what your stop loss. Maybe you are taken any short position. This may be your stop loss. Once your stop loss is triggered, you may be exiting. But this stock, what the condition you made it, the formation should be on a day high. The day high is changed, the stock would be removed from the list. So that is a very important while creating the scanners. You have to check that. So this is not for only the comment. and this is for my student who are learned about the charting, and also they will know about this things, how we can create a effective scanners, and also how we can find out such a perfect scanners. Okay, so instead of a day high, we can fix the candle numbers like a maximum or minimum, something like that. If you fix it, that would be never repaint. So even if it is stop loss also, the stock would be on the list itself because it is satisfying up to this level. We are not calculating this, it is calculating back data. For example, 30 days low or 30 days high, that will be repaint, but maximum 30 candles low or 30 candles high, it will never repaint. Or if you are using a daily and weekly and intraday time frame in a single scanner, sure it will be repeat. Okay, so if you are creating any scanners, that would be in a same time frame. So but in like pivot, CPR and Camarilla, it's a fixed level. It's a fixed level. It will never repaint, but it may show. It will never repaint because it is calculation and it's showing you the exact details of that particular day, because a Camarilla levels are calculated based on the previous day value. Maybe most of all the pivot points is calculating by the previous day's value, and it is a static value. It's not a dynamic, so it never changes. For example, I can calculate what is the pivot level for tomorrow by using open high low close price. After that, it will never change because previous day open high low close is never changed. That is a fixed level. For an example, this levels can be derived by the previous day's values. The today's level is derived by the previous day's value. Maybe if you are using 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever the time frame you use, this level would be static. It's not going to change. For example, the R4 level 1597. So if I'm using 1 minute time frame also, it will never change. Even 2 minute time, 3 minutes time, 5 minutes time, okay, 10 minutes time, sorry, 10 minutes also, it never change. You can see the fixed values or fixed range. It is about a calculation. So if you are using that yesterday's value, which is crossed about 5 minutes candle or 10 minutes candle, it never repeat. But we use a daily value only, Camarilla. If you are using a Camarilla, yesterday's value, that is 1 day ago Camarilla we use, that is a daily time frame, and 5 minutes, today's 5 minutes close is greater than or cross above something we use, that never repeat. So that thing you should understand. This is the level. But if I am using changing 30 minutes time frame, that level will be changed. Why? Level is changed, right? Because if I'm more than 30 minutes, it's a weekly levels from 21st to up to 28th. This is a weekly level. Okay, so here I just added into the auto. Okay, so the input is about the automatic. So more than 30 minutes, it should be a monthly. If I'm changing it to daily, it should be a monthly level. So if you are looking at 1st of October to maximum 28th October. Okay, what is the last day of that? It will be showing you the monthly levels. So you need to understand the pivot levels are static. We may use multiple time frame, but if you're in a normal scanner, if you are using multiple time frame, that can be removed from the list. Okay, I hope you understood. So whenever I create my scanners, it is all mostly non-repaintable scanners only. I'm just creating, and also I'm posting it on my premium group. And if you wish to join and access all my premium group, you can join. And this swing scanner is working better on intraday. Intraday swing change and buying also we have already created. That is also working well. I hope you understood the concept and logic of the scanner creation. So many scanners, if you are searching it, some of them are non-repaintable. Maybe randomly we can check. This is all used by the daily time frame. I think it just looks like mine. Okay. 52 week low. This one weekly. Yeah, this will never repaint. When it came, that would be a 52 week low. So here you can see at that time that would be a 52 week low. So I will explain you. This will never repaint if I'm just using a future. So 52 week low. Let me check what is the common stocks here. Nestle, IndusInd Bank, Idea. So previously idea. Okay, so this is what here it shows the backtrace visual change two different time frame here. There is it's showing you the daily low, but it will be showing you weekly minimum, so it is fixed. So idea on 410, okay, let me go for idea 1 day or 1 week 410. That was starting. Here it's showing closing 4. What is the date? 4/10/24. 4/10/24. It's a daily time frame. It's showing you maybe here this particular second to this particular. This is what 52. Sorry, what exactly that 4/10 daily time frame, right? Idea 4/10/2024. So let me go for a daily time frame. Yeah, this one is the 410. This is the least to low comparing to the previous levels. Okay, so from this is the low of 52-week, but next day it's new 52-week low. Okay, next day is a new 52-week low, and now it is also new 52-week low. But even it shows in the data, it will not repaint. Okay, that is a very important thing you should understand. So on the day of 4th, it shows, and the next day also it shows the week 52-week low, but after that somewhere here on 18th, but that it is not removed from the list. Whenever it made a new 52-week low, that would be on the list. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching this. Maybe you get some idea from this video. If you like this video, hit your like button and share to your friends. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you.